In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a task table with sub-items in Notion. This is a great way to break large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Let's get started. Open Notion and create a new database by typing table and selecting table full page or table inline. Add your main tasks as rows in the table, then create properties such as status, due date, priority, or assignee to track each task. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the database, open Sub-items, and enable the Sub-items feature if it's not already turned on. Once enabled, open a task and click Add Sub-item to create smaller tasks underneath it. For example, a task called Launch Website could include sub-items like Design Homepage, Write Content, and Test Pages. You can assign due dates, statuses, and other properties to each sub-item just like you do with your main tasks. Expand or collapse parent tasks whenever you want to keep your table organized. That's how to build a task table with sub-items in Notion. Thanks for watching.